Only 6 roasted garlic cloves can do wonders for your body within 24 hours. Garlic is one of nature's most miraculous foods. It provides myriad of powerful benefits that can treat numerous health conditions and even severe diseases, thanks to its strong medicinal properties. The healing powers of garlic are well known, which is why this vegetable is used worldwide. Please watch the video till the end to get full information, and without any more wait, let's start. It contains a plethora of nutrients, including vitamin B6 and C, manganese, allicin, iron, calcium, zinc, selenium, manganese, potassium, magnesium, many flavonoid antioxidants, etc. Besides its culinary uses, garlic has been used as a natural remedy to control blood pressure, lower cholesterol levels, stimulate blood flow, treat coronary heart disease, and prevent heart attacks. It relaxes the blood vessels, prevents the production of the hormone angiotensin II, and controls LDL cholesterol. According to experts, garlic can heal your body in only 24 hours. As they explain, if you consume 6 roasted garlic cloves per day, your body will experience the following health benefits. First hour, digestion of the garlic and feeding your body. 2 to 4 hours, garlic is potent enough to kill cancer cells and prevent damage from free radicals. 4 to 6 hours, your metabolism starts to recognize garlic's healthy properties. It helps flush the excess fat and fluids out of your body. 6 to 7 hours, it starts destroying bacteria in your system, due to its strong antibacterial properties. 7 to 10 hours, garlic's nutrients have already acted on a cellular level, providing protection from oxidations. 10 to 24 hours, your body experiences a process of deep cleansing, resulting in improved bone strength, boosted immune system, increased cell longevity, improved and reduced blood pressure levels, getting rid of fatigue, protection from cardiovascular problems, normalized cholesterol levels, enhanced athletic performance, protection from heavy metals entrance in the body. How to roast garlic. Preheat your oven to 205 degrees Celsius, 400 degrees Fahrenheit. You can also use a toaster oven. Take 1 or more heads of garlic and peel the papery outer layers. Make sure you leave the skins of the individual garlic cloves, and cut 1/4 to 1/2 inch from their top using a sharp knife. In this way you'll expose the individual garlic cloves. Next, you need a baking pan, or even better, a muffin pan, to place the garlic heads cut side up. Pour a bit of olive oil over the exposed garlic heads, and rub it all over the cut with your finger. Then, cover the bulb with aluminium foil and put it in the preheated oven to bake at 205 degrees Celsius, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, for around half an hour, or until the cloves of garlic are soft when you press them. Be careful not to burn yourself, so let it cool enough before touching it. Cut the skin a bit around each clove using a small knife and squeeze or pull the roasted cloves out of their skin with a cocktail fork or your fingers. You can enjoy it as it is, or mash it to combine with other foods. For instance, you can mix in with pasta and parmesan, or with sour cream for a baked potatoes topping. It's also great spreaded over warm French bread. The ability to treat and prevent various diseases has made garlic one of the most recommended foods on the planet. Experts recommend consuming this healthy vegetable every day. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you and have a good one.